Is your large savings deposit truly safe, or are you sitting on a mountain of uninsured cash? That's a critical question, especially if you're looking at an institution like Popular Direct for a high-yield savings account or a high-rate CD. They offer some seriously competitive rates, which is great, but when you're talking about large amounts of money, safety is non-negotiable. So, let's get right to it. Is Popular Direct safe for large deposits? The short answer is yes, up to a point, because Popular Direct deposits are offered by, and opened through, Popular Bank, which is a member FDIC institution. Now for the crucial part, FDIC insurance. The standard FDIC coverage limit is $250,000 per depositor, per insured bank, for each ownership category. This is the foundational safety net for your money. If the bank were to fail, the FDIC would protect your deposits up to that limit. Since all Popular Direct accounts are held at Popular Bank, all of your balances, across all of your accounts, like a savings account and any CDs, are combined to determine your total FDIC coverage at that single bank. Here's the main takeaway for large deposits. If your total balance at Popular Bank, through Popular Direct, is over $250,000, that excess amount is technically uninsured under the standard single ownership category. But there are ways to increase that coverage at a single institution. The key is to utilize different ownership categories. The FDIC treats each category separately, giving you an additional $250,000 of coverage for each one. For example, a single account in your name gets $250,000. A joint account with a spouse gets a combined $500,000. And a retirement account, like an IRA, is a separate ownership category that gets its own $250,000 limit. By strategically structuring your deposits, you can significantly boost your insured total at Popular Bank. Beyond the standard FDIC coverage, it's worth noting that Popular Bank, like any reputable online bank, uses industry-standard security measures, including multi-factor authentication, to protect your online account against fraud and unauthorized access. Ultimately, Popular Direct is a legitimate, FDIC-insured institution. For large deposits, however, you need to be proactive. Know your total balance across all accounts at Popular Bank, and use the different FDIC ownership categories to maximize your insured funds. If your deposit is still well over those combined limits, the safest course of action is always to diversify by opening accounts at other completely separate, FDIC-insured banks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.